ra tutsa ra zama re lwana le tlala khwapala ba ska be ba thala di fitile di clever ba swile le spirit ba phumutse trace methala sa rona go zama le suba la do atla mzulo ba tidikhala he palo tlhakana re betha ma China mo tlabe ra thwasa mathata re tlatsana ga tlo re phaphara kudi ya sa to tlhapa ka sthar ba mixitse dono le mafura a twar.
Speaking Frostan, we never stop. We are on the run. Your number one. So Monistan, Commonsran, Weakenization is back with another one. Thank you again for choosing us. Thank you again for choosing Speaking Frostan podcast with Wiki Demdwa. And I'm so excited today that I'm talking to Gogo D, aka Dineo. She's a DJ, she's an actress, she's also a radio presenter. I'm so very much excited to have her on this podcast. And just before we go any further, let me thank the sponsors. Thank you so much to Moringa Lifestyle for making this show possible. Really appreciate my brother. And hopefully, Luena, you are a client of Moringa Lifestyle because your life is going to be changed, especially when we talk about health issues. This is our welcome, Gogo D. Shafedere.
Hey. Hey, ke grande ke shapo.
But when you always look like a very shy person. Are you shy?
No.
You always look shy, like you are a very shy person.
It's not the matter ya hore ke shy. Yeah.
A rato lebella batho ka mo matlong.
A ke khono lebella motho ka maramatla.
Why were you taught like that go in?
No, I've been taught like that ko ke sa thwasa hore o lebelle motho ka mahare ha matlo.
Yeah.
Especially kobela, a ba tshwana lebella kobela ka mahare ha matlo. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah,
But in the industry that you are in, you have to look at people, like you have to clinch deals.
Yes.
You have to look at the camera. You have to convince us that whatever that you're doing is real.
Yeah, hona le mo eleng hore like tshwantse vele ke lebelle motho ka mahare ha matlo.
Yeah. So let's talk about Dineo ke mang o goletse kae and your passion for entertainment Tomilening.
Oh, okay. Dineo ke ngwana wa Mokasi, ne? Gogdi.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, Dineo ke ngwana Mokasi, o holetse Mokasi. Ke tsweletse mo Themba. Yeah, ke ngwana mo Themba. And then passion ya ka for entertainment. Ke discoverile hore ke na le talent like last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, ke mo eleng hore ke discoverile talent ya ka. No, last year it was 2024, ne? No, on 2023, sorry, yeah. Yes.
That's when you you discovered that you have talent.
Yes. So like ke mo ke discoverile mo teng hore no ke na le talente. Ke startile ka DJing.
Yeah.
From DJing ka starta ka ba a radio presenter. From radio presenter ka starta ka ya ko TV. Yes.
What really pushed you? Like what sparked that thing inside of you to go and ask for a job as a radio presenter?
Yeah, em pushitseng hore ke batle ho ba a radio presenter. Ke bone ke rata radio. Ke motho le hore ke rata music.
Yeah.
Ke rata radio. Yes, that's why ke felleditse hore ai re ko ba DJ.
Yeah.
Ne. I can play music otle, but there's only one music that I really like. Soul Sessions.
Soul Sessions. Yeah, I want to talk about that. Like, do you think we should say that Baba Dlalang R&B they are talented as DJs, or it's just because I'm sorry to say that I know you also play soul and R&B, ne? But I don't feel there's talent there. You just play music and that's it.
No, there is a talent.
Okay, USB, USB, and then music one.
No, there is a talent. There is a talent.
Lebona, they also deserve to be called DJs.
Yeah, they are DJs.
But what R&B?
Yeah. Ase mang le mang aka emang ko morao ha di-vinyls antapina a tsenta.
Yeah, but everyone can do that, Dini. Now we can also play with our phones.
Wiki, come on.
But the DJs are in Villa Ropa, like
na ke tla le R&B fela.
Like yona le soul.
Yeah, ke ra a ke tla le soul and R&B fela.
Okay.
Ko morao kwa I used to play deep house. Go barke kai. I get this, should I mention names?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Go TK.
Okay.
Yeah. so ne ke tlala mo harabe ke tsamaya le motho o nrutileng
So wa khona ho di
DJ
mixa
ya.
dipina?
Yes, ke a khona lo balance ka khona I can. So nna ke rata Sunday. What is Sunday? I can sacrifice matsatsi a mang ka Sunday.
Yeah.
You know Sunday is a short day ne.
Yeah.
But tsatsi la Sunday le monate.
Yes. Yeah.
And a Sunday it la o tlhape sekolo.
Yeah. Yeah. So Gogo, being a DJ, being a mother, being an actor, being a radio presenter, how do you balance your life?
Balance ka life ka khona ho balance. Ne? There is a time whereby ke nako ya ka ya hore ke be busy le bo nkgono le bo ntatemogolo ke nako ya ka mo Ntombeng.
Yeah.
And then most of my clients they know hore I'm a busy lady. If I travel ke tsamaya ke bo Eastern Cape or ke ya kae ke ira le status or I'm not available.
Yeah.
For nako 8 and so most of my clients they call me before they come. Yes. And then if utlile o sampotsa o tlankara ka lucky.
Okay.
Mara ba bangata ba jika ba tla ba sampotsa but at the end of the day ke khone ho ira nako ya bona.
Yeah.
Ke na le nako ya go ba ko Ntombeng ka itse gore ke nako ya ka le mathosana aka and then ke nako ya gore ke be mo Ntombeng ke re 1 2 3 ke na le nako ya gore ke tsamaye ko shoota whatever series ke bileditsweng gore ke tlo I shoota ke na le nako ya gore ke be le bana ba ka ke fe bana ba ka nako ke khona ho di balance dilo tseo tse tsotlhe.
Yeah. Your kids, how do they feel when they see you on television?
Oh, yo baba excited like ba scream. I remember the other time nareshebile my brother's keeper, then I was shooting video. Ne and then re bone mo Harabeke and then we had to lebelle on base ya teng on Sunday. I was shooting video and then they were screaming Ashule maka o tla mona maka like bona ba excited or mama tlhella mo TV.
Yeah. And then itomile bang yona eo ya ya acting biano. How did you get your first acting gig?
Okay. First acting gig ya ka ne. Ke inviteilwe ke someone ampotsa hore ho nyake ha batho ko go so and then I went there. Then I've been going for the auditions and then you know, good auditioning, you lose some, you win some.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I can say ke hore wa itse selo ha se batla go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then ho challenging life ya challenge. Uske be wa tshaba ho spend the chelete to get what you want.
Yes.
When I'm saying uska tshaba ho spend the chelete to get what you want, I mean ha ba re audition e ko Auckland Park uska nyaka ho tshaba ho spend the khonamela and go there. You'll never know. Maybe o tla kra something. So now I'm like that. Now I've been going up and down doing the auditions. Yeah. Tse ding ke di kreile, tse ding a ke di kreye, mara still in a tonal competition, you lose some, you win some.
Which role did you enjoy playing?
You know, ke enjoy di role tse tsotlhe nna.
But there must be that one that you like, you know what?
Everything ho mpha yona like hanchi mo ke feature mo teng. Ke feature ka ela ya o shobisa.
Oh, ya di strike.
Yeah, ya di strike. So I don't know, maybe ke intwana, but ke lemohile or most of the time mo eleng hore ke I'm featured ke tsa o shobisa, ke di role tsa o shobisa. And then tse ding tse ke no ba a background artist wa bona. Yes.
And do you talk like modi scripting za how or most of them you don't talk, you just appear as a background?
Okay. On the background do ne ke sa kry di lines, we call it the lines ne.
Okay.
Yes. And then ko scheme sa me I was featured ke mele hore ne ke na le line le line ne ke shobisa ko khoto. I think maybe we bone. Yes, ko my brother's keeper ne ke strike ka hore ke nyaka mmereko ka nna ke nyaka o bereka ke nyaka chelete. Yeah. And then the other thing happened ke featurile hape le ko The Executives season 2 mo e leng gore I was a policewoman ne ke le Makhumalo le ko teng ke grile di-line yeah so like hanyane and I still
But do you see yourself growing on television?
I see myself growing. Something big is coming for me. Something big is coming for me.
Yeah.
Some of the things I won't mention because I'm gonna ruin a surprise.
Yeah, but to show that there's something big coming, you also have an award. This is the best radio presenter, Vinoria D. Padziri. Wow, this is for radio.
Yes, this is for radio.
Wow. Dina una kala re mo radio, but you don't have these, bro. Radio.
I know. You know, award the like I was shocked. I was so shocked. I don't wanna lie. By the way, I deserve it because I've been campaigning it.
All right.
Yeah, I've been going up and down, posting every day. Please vote for me. Blah 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 blah. The time me babitsa lebitso laka ke le ko award ceremony, like I was like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even today, I still like I don't believe it. Like again, I got this.
Was there money attached to this?
Sorry?
Was there money attached to this award?
Yes. Yes, it was the money attached and then some other things.
Okay. Okay, awesome stuff. We're proud of you, Dini. Let's talk about your journey of becoming Gogo.
Okay. Yeah. My journey of becoming Gogo, it was not easy.
How did you know unale badimo, like usalwalwala?
Yes.
Or salwa iralang?
Yes. By the time I go a middle school, ne ke na le problem ya go thibana, ya go block.
Okay,
Ne
like
ke
asthma
thibana,
sort of.
yes, like asthma sort of. Ne ke thibana to the point mo eleng hore nka se khone ho bua nna self. Tshwantse ke rashetswe to the hospital ke kreya oxygen. Ne ke busa ke oxygen.
Okay.
Then ko hospital ha ba ira di barana some test na ba re ke touch of asthma every day. Avoid the meds, avoid the cats, what. So this thing like it continue up until my late mom. I wanna hore no, I have to stand up and ke botsise hore ke nyake ko consulta ke nyake hore why ngwana o like a phela a thibana so. Yeah. My mom o tsamaile le nna, we went there to this prophet. Mmotsa hore ngwana o na le a calling. O na le badimo ba semoya, badimo ba kometseng le badimo ba o bina.
Ke mmaga wa botsang prophet.
Mo prophet o botsa mama.
Okay.
Ne. Okay. Are because of sa le monyane o sa le ko sekolong. Le kana la mophatlhela le ba khopele hore like ba imisenyana a fetse sekolo.
Okay.
Yes. Mama kana na tshwenya ke taba ya hore ke tshwantse ko thwasa beyang ke lengwana ke sa le ko sekolong. Okay. After ba mphatlhela, I remember it was in the morning. Ba re ke tsohe before tsatsi le tlhaba, they have to phatlha for me. It was my mom and my late grandmother.
Yeah.
Ba mphatlhela. After then that thing ya stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Sele ya stopa ka fetsa ka thoma ka bereka. E startile again 2009. Hane ke bereka ko nthwela ko Sheraton Hotel ya starta. Okay. Ka itsa lightly, ne? But then exactly like continuously like before. Okay. Yeah, eskitsamaya. One day there was this prophet ang approach motseleng. Are wena na le badimo. Kara wana akena badimo re tshwantse o thwase so. Ka itsa light. Wa fitlhela mo eleng hore sele ka ya Samuel nna. Ke bona hore dilo tsa ka dia tlhakatlhakana. Ba mpotsa hore o be right mo lifeng o tshwantse hore o started this journey and then o tla ba right. I was in denial. Ne ke gana. I remember ke ipetha sefuba ke re nna thwasa nna nka se thwase. Up until mo eleng hore ne ke bereka ko Montana as an admin. Yeah, mo hona mo ke kutse. Tshwara ke tlhogo. Ke betha ke ditlhabi mahetla the next thing o phaphama o le mofatshe ba re na o tlhakatlhakane o bolela o le one. No, o itse like ke feela embarrassed gore mara wa e hirala dilo tse so monna ka tsamaya ka joina kere ka bazalwane.
Okay.
Yes, ka ya ko bazalwaneng a ba rapela ntse ke rapela, but ntho neng surprise ko kerekeng ene ke tsena ko teng a nka rapela batho na ba kgone go wa ba tlhakatlhakana ba ira ke re how ke na le that power ya gore ke kgone customer demon. Wow, okay, ditoro tsa bokoko di bue di nne di ntse di tla ke lora masela ke lora dingaka ke lora eng ke lora ntatemogolo aka a tle monna a re monna a re ke a bona gore wa rapela mara tsela e o itsereng a se e leng gore o tshwanetse gore o etseye tsela e o tshwanetseng ke e ha re ke e o mpontsha ditaola o mpontsha masela ai ke tsohe ke rae fire a ikhonahale not nna until mo leng hore se le ka tshonya ke tlhogo. The other day tlhogo ela a ya nrobatsa like a ka robala ke tsohile ka bo past 2 gore tlhogo ya ka e ntshwere kutlo ka re I'll run mad o ka re ya spina so ha e tlo fola tlhogo ela he ke robala watla this old lady a re monna a re ntsha meriri ya makhowa ne ke rata meriri ya makhowa thata ne ke rata lo ha ka blonde yeah ene ka nako ke lohile ke kentshitse ntho e ba re keng nele pop card or razor card something like that yeah ya blonde a se khale ke kentshitse a re ntsha meriri ya makhowa and then we ready threads tlho ya hao e tlo fola mara fru ka re wetse keng ere ke followe ntho e ke boditseng ne ka ntsha meriri ela ka ichaka ka tsamaya ka yo starta dread after ke startile dread tlhogo ela ya stop ya se e ntshwenya like before ka ngala ko mmerekong a ka kubiwa ke ngadisa keng ke bona hore I'm not fit to work because ke phela ke lwala he ke tsena ka office ka lwala ka ya ko doctor mpotsa hore yena ntho e ntshwereng ke migraine o bona so tshwantse ko nka treatment ya migraine ka fonela my aunt ka a re ke khopela hore before o ira treatment eo o nyakisise ha ke tsamaya le auntie wa ka ankisa somewhere else ba bolela the very same thing ya gore ke badimo hona kwane ke ile ko teng ba mpotsa hore ko shapiwa ke stroke sa badimo yeah and I took it light. Okay. In the morning, it was 21 March. Holiday. Ke Women's Rights, ne? Yeah. Letsatsi le nka se tsile ke le lebetse. Ke tsohile ke nna ke ko Mamelodi. Ke a kolma ka tlhatswa di washene ke mo holidaying ka peya ka fetsa ka robala ke robetse ke le sharp. Ho hanne ke tsoha in the morning ke re ke mmerekong. Ka utlwa ke shapwa ke setlhabi se seng. Mo hey ka tsoha ka re ke tshwere ke ka botsa papa bana ba ka re ke tshwere ke pelo a re o tshwere ke pelo what do you mean o tshwere ke pelo ka re no ke utlwa pain mo a re tsoma tlhapa tla jika ko mmerekong a ka tlhapa ke tlhapetse women he tshwantse ke tsamaye ka ra mo gore ko swela ko strateng kampane ka swela ka montlong ka robala ha ke robetse ka lora dingaka nna ke ntse mo wheelchair week ke a lora ka nako eo ke ntse mo dima wheelchair mara ke apere dilo tsa badimo and hona le dingaka ba shapa meropa guess what ha ke tsoha ke re ke toilet ke paletse ko emella ha ke palla ko emella ke re bab ke palla ko emella phela nna ke tswiralang mara pene le tsamaile hampa hamisa so letsola ka la ka mo left ne lentse so this part is abereke ke shapuwe ke stroke sela na ba bolelang ka sona I had to go back kwale kwana ba mpuditse ka sona so banthusa ka khona ho boa mara ba mpotsa hore ha ka ba stetse la badimo o tlo tsena lefetlong o holofetse. Okay, ngwaha o fete. Next year, before that human rights, karai never non katsamana ko thwasa. Yeah, karena ko thwasa kore like kalatha everything. Karmo, this is the best way ya hore ke be right, ke be healthy because libishu next arobali. Na if it to that point ya hore boshiu he ke robetse hona le batho ba bolelang le nna like ne ke ba bona like physically I was not dreaming. Question me hore ke batlang ke batlo tsena ke holofetse like dilo tse bjao le motho ne ke nna le nna amputsa hore kante why o bolela boshiu ha o robetse o bolela le bomang na ba nketela like physically until ke tsamaya ko thwasa.
Mara ora re ntse se fela vele bolwetse bo bonyakang sekgowa ba ilo checka di psychologist ba ilo bona re go nyakang
na se bolwetse bo bonyakang sekgowa because they were coming like physically.
You could see them.
I could see them. Ne ketela ke ntate mogolo o mong o ke sa mwitsing not knowing hore ke lona le tlozile ke lebinang ke na nang ketela ke na nang tshwenya like every day he ke robetse o mpapamisa ore go tsoa ro tsa dikgang.
And kana go motho ha o robetse le yena ha o bona o tswile o ntse ka marao mo mpetong o tsia dikgang a reng
we ignorile mara a fetsang question ka mmotsa kare the other day kare ke tlo bontsha gore ke bolele bomang ha fitla ntate moholo ka mpapamisa kare a shun ntate moholo ke re mpuso ke bolele bomang ntate moholo a nyamela and ntate moholo sno nyamela a tseya 4 days before bohabe
yo nanga tshaba le belo le la o tshosa o ira tsona tse o gitlile monna a go bulela no somar no azai go khapa. This brings me to the point ya how difficult is it to ba mo relationship ngona le ona le badimo like o le gogo.
Yeah, well, sometimes badimo na ba khona nlwisa le yena the partner no kra ke fela pelo ke tlala pelo ne ha ke tswa ke tsama ke consulta ba mpotsa hore wena e bile le relationship ya hao bokoko ba ka ifetsa. You know why? Badimo ba boulela ka mela bona. Yeah, badimo ba boulela too much na ba bona o kare maybe the guy ke ana ntshenyetsa nako ya hore ke se ka nna le nako ya bona or eng mara after ke thositse dilo nyana tse dintšhisele dia fokotseha na ba khona when coming le ditaba tsa morogo ba khona go tswalla o kra o sanya ke selo
o ska ba sex
yeah ba khona go tswalla no kra har ke re kra ke sanyake
wa o le sure ke bona ba bo tswaletseng
ke sure Koma rao kwa ne ke se sure because ne ke sna knowledge but no ke sure ke hore ke ne le bona ba ba tswallang.
Oh, maybe it's because by then you were not feeling like doing the deal.
It's not like that bona ba tswalla. Believe me.
Biang, why would
they
do
can
that?
They can even change your private part.
By change biang.
Pila.
Like you saying badimo he ba nyaka.
He wena like let me say your partner ke mothelong hore ona le a calling.
Yeah.
And then wanyaka o re wa motshwara o ka kra e tshwana le hao
wa mon
ka nnete. I'm talking from experience.
So hona le nako ngwe damane ntse re ha re o tshwara agree.
Yeah.
Agree o le monna.
Yes, e mothose and especially how na le ntho ena how na le barking ona le banna na batho ba ke ba thasitseng ke banna.
So mpotse mo Dineo, this is very interesting mona. Like the guy would want to make love to you and then he would want to touch you as soon as a tomorrow tshwara then agree for 5.
Yes. And then
okay.
No next I want nna ke robetse maybe and once I agree for 5 o turn her off obvious.
How to so go tsore mona o iralang
na mpotsa mara ha sebaka nampotsa mara ha sebaka and the other day ya re ke tswile ke consulta lena ba mmotsa gore ho na le tsatsi leo ke leng wa re wa kra ho le so I confirm hore yes badimo ba na le matla wiki
And then le yena ba khono mira hore tsatsi le wena o monyaka maybe ba sanya ke wena o ire dilo tseo wena hore o motshwara o krele mosadi
hana le a calling ne
no ke ra fela badimo ba hao let's say badimo ba hao a banya ke ka jeno hore o robalane and then wena wa batla and then ka o rabanya ke ba wira swele ya hore ha o motshwara o krele mosadi
it was possible but the akso tlhakane le yona
oh
yes
then we cannot say it's possible if you lora zangwa kopana le yona
azanga kopana le yona
yeah so it's not possible
okay but yona it's highly possible badimo bana le matla badimo ha ba batla ntho ba enyaka wa bona badimo ha ona le pitso bona lo ka re ke re ba re ke tshabela America ke tshabela kai a calling ha o biditswe
diteng dingaka go overseas
yeah diteng dingaka go overseas but yeah I believe or diteng
like maybe if there's South Africans there, maybe a person who is in overseas now, maybe watching this podcast, they can attest. Please, guys, you can comment. Let us know. Hore okaya le badimo ba hao ko overseas now.
Waitsi, I once consulted this other lady from overseas. I was shocked. Honali, the other lady are ogrile number yaka on social media.
Okay.
I was shocked. Come consult I send the chelete. I get because of ke consulta telephonically. Ka mo sendela whatever I have to send it to her.
Ke na lo hutla ba ipolela bo gogo bo botle ka mkhoba le powerful ka teng ka mkhoba le ntse ka teng. When what you to say about yourself? O this.
Nna ke desa because ka fodisa ke change le maphelo a batho mara nna a ke rate ho te advertiser.
Okay.
A ke rate ho te advertiser le ko nna ha o tla o ka se kre boto ya ho rala fara fodisa eng ke the way ke rutileng ka teng from ko lefetlhong bongaka a se pheta bongaka a se masela bongaka bo mo mading.
Yes, that's what I wanted to ask. Why are you slaying now sa para dilo tsa teng?
Ke na le nakwaka ya hore ka diapara dipheta ne ke diapara by the time ke thwasa le ha se ke buile nka ira dipheta they won't last a dinne sebaka di aqhaqeha once di tswile
so wena ngaka ya taola or ya metsi or ya eng
ke ngaka ya ditaola ka itsholla taola ke a phekola le ka nthwela ka semoya ka lefatla ke nthwela ke double exhaust.
Wow. So, Dineo, these things it's a hormonal ditokology and stuff like, are they real or is it your way of scaring us so that we can come to you?
It's real.
Because sometimes we would feel like dilote sona mar diba tembiang mar ki dilo mantsa o tshwana le tsona tse and we only hear them ha re ile ko dinga keng lo tsa tshwana le ditokology.
It's real di teng.
Wena ki lo e bona wena tokology?
Yes.
Ki lo e bona?
Ngile ka e bona. Ke khona ho
like description e be yang tokology ke ntwe bang.
No, you know what ne tokology e tla ka ditsela tse dintsi. E ka tla with a picture of mfene, e tla ka picture ya motho.
Okay.
Yes. It depends hore motho o romellang tokology we create le piang.
Oh, ya creative.
Yes, they create it.
As Gogo, then I come to you, ke na le mathata ka and then I feel like there's somebody on tshwenyang and then ke feel or motho tshwanetse ke dile ka yena. Would you help me?
Dila ka yena in ka tsela e bjang wiki?
Ke nyako mo fokotsa bohale man, motho wa tshwenya man.
You know what ne?
Dingaka tse dintsi like they feel hore bona because this is their calling and if somebody comes to them with whatever issue they will help.
Yes, ke batla ho araba.
Okay.
Yes. Nna ha o tlile ko nna. Sa mathomo a ke batle o mpotse hore o tletseng.
Wow.
I prefer hore nna ko botse. And then se ileng hore a ka sthatcha o stletse ke mo o tla mpotsang hore ae nna pila ke tletse ntho but most of the people ba ke ba consultang ntho ba itlelang ba ikra mo taoleng before ba tlo mpotsa hore ba tletse eng.
Yes.
I don't believe mo long hore motho tshwantse a mpotse sa mathomo o nyako checka life how. You don't have to tell me hore ke tletse 1 2 3 1 2 3. I ngaka eske ke ngaka ka bona. I have to tell you what is your problem. You don't have to tell Sangoma gore problem ka ke 1 2 3. Tshwantse a o botse ditaba tsa hao. Nna ke tlo checka ka o botsa gore this is what is happening ko wena go na le motho moso o ira 1 2 3. I am going to protect you. I'm not going to kill the person. I'm going to protect you. If you come to Mandomba, ask me to kill a person, I will charge you a lot of money, then I'm not going to kill that person. Instead, I'm going to protect you. Because matlozi amang ababatli pulao. Like ke tlo bua ka matlozi aka. Abanya ke tsholla madi, abanya ke pulao. If ke nka ira pulao ore ka tsholla madi ka ira pulao, they can ba ka mfletela ba ntjikela.
So mputse mo ba teng batho ba bana lo tla ba tlo khopela hore o bolae batho?
Yeah, ba teng ba bantši. So nna ke thoseditse ho ira ho protecta batho, ho fodisa batho a ka thosetsa go bolaya. Nna ka tla monna wa re o nyaka go bolaile motho ke tlo botsa re mphe 20,000 e be mo hard cash, and then ka o fa tse leng hore di tlo protecta. And then motho a sa se wa bua go nna wa re gogo he motho la so ke tlo botsa re tso montshwarisa sa motho mo ka se ntshwarisa o fitla ko police station o re ke itse re bjang 20,000.
Marora batho bana le mathata dini. If batho ba rena lo tla ba tlo khopela hore o bolae batho?
Polao no. A ke promote ba teng ba batla go thusa go bola batho. Wetsi re thosa dintho tse di different, re thosa ntho tse different. Hona le ba ileng hore specifically ba thosetsa boloi.
Yes.
Hona le ba ileng hore o thosetsa go fodisa.
Yeah.
Ne? Re ka thosa re le 3 or 4. Out of 4 ho bereka 1 or 2. It's not the matter ya hore gobela o tswalletse o re bjang. Re le go lefetlong re le 4 or 3 o molomong o tlo thosetsa sa se thosetsang. Wena maybe o tlile go thosetsa go fola. Ola maybe o tlile go thosetsa go kopantsha family. O go le family ya hae a ba sa utlwana go tlhakatlhakane a kopantshe family a lokise. Ola maybe o tlile go thosetsa go fodisa malwetse a rileng o go le re o dila ka malwetse a rileng fela. Ne o mo maybe o yena o tlo fodisa batho o tlo thwasisa o tlo irang. So a re those go tshwana.
Yo tshwarisa stress o sena di clients?
You know, pele ne ntshwarisa stress. Pele heke bua ke tlo thwasa ne ntshwarisa stress because nna ke buile ka di 2023 tsa December e le boshiu 24 ho kitilwe the whole day ka Christmas day nna ke tsoga ke tswile late because I was tired. Ke kreile ke na le di client tinkemetse ko ntlong ba boditse rae o robetse gogo sa robetse batho ba la apparently ba fitile ba bona na le mantjomane ba utlo rae ba tlisitse ngaka ka ke statilo bereka
day after.
Yes, ke buile go thwasa ya ba le gona ke thomile go ba le di client le thwasana la ka la mathomo le tsene ke na le 3 months ke buile le fetlhong.
So horror ke talente if lo rona le mathwasana
a se talente a se talente a se taba ya hore ke talente or eng. And then hore ho iragale ka mokhola ke dirlo diragale ka speed monna is because of badimo le bona like khale ba rasha ba nyako bereka.
Oh
Yeah, so
plus le taba re khale we
tshabela. Yes, and then I've been dreaming go hae ho tletse hona le batho dilonyana tse bjao. So no, some of the things they kirahalla like e dirahalla it's like a deja vu. Ntho mara o ka re ke bone before kante ke ile ka lora ka yona khale.
Yeah. Do you still pray?
Yes, I pray.
So you don't have any problem with religion?
No, I don't have a problem.
You don't
with
have any
religion.
problem with churches that criticize Spanesalin?
I don't have a problem.
What do you have to say to them?
No, ke tsa hore ba latlhegile. as le bona ba bona nna ke latlhegile le bona ke tsa gore ba latlhegile. You know what, after all o mong le o mong o believer mo a believer mo teng.
Yeah.
A ke criticize ba tla ba bang ke ba thusa ba tla.
So it's true vele hore ba teng ba ruti ba bana le o tla mo lena ba tlonya ka matla.
Yes. No, I matla a ke nya go bolela maka ke se kopane le moruta tlila re nya ka matla. Nna le ba kileng hore ba tla monna like bana le problems tse di rileng so ke ba solve le tsona ke ba thusa.
Wena o na le no.
A ke na no.
And then a ngo tla batho ba tlo khopela no. And di teng dilo tseo fela tsa gore motho a ka nna le noha and then noha teng e mo tlisetsa lehumo.
Yeah. Di teng.
And is it true or you have to sacrifice with your
Yes, you
family
have
members?
to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice. Nna ke na le bana ke nya ke dilo tseo. Ke
Mara
rata
zamba o recruiter o tlo di kry.
you know what ne nna ke motho o mong he ke bona hore like dilo tse di bolelang a kutlwane le tsona ke tlo shifta ke tlo ikato. Ke na le batho ba bantši ba leng hore ke te khatile from bona. Once ke bona ke na le lengelo ile le ngala ka speed. Once ke bona hore o tswile mo tseleng ke tlo te khata mo wena. I won't call you nga se WhatsApp nga se resela. Tsone makala ke se tlheke bolela le wena. He ke na le dinto se ke thosisa batho ba ke bereka le bona ba tswa Limpopo ba tswa Joburg Eastern Cape ke na le bana ko Cape Town mathasana ba ke ba thasitseng ko Eastern Cape.
Wow, mo swana busy mos. Ke tlhole ke bona di post tsa hao bolela ka mokholong ko Eastern Cape ka teng.
Yes, Eastern Cape ba khona phone ba kope consultation. Ke consult motho over the phone and then abe ampotse hore ke khopela o checke di bus ticket go batla ka usane. Ke checke di bus ticket ke paketse ke spakang ke tsamaye go ba thusa go bereka. Ke berekela Eastern Cape too much. Eastern Cape Cape Town ke pleketse ke berekelang ko tsona.
So they trust you.
Ke ba berekela that's why ba khona ho referelana. Mongwaheng I can go to Eastern Cape maybe 10 times.
And then mokasi mo since lo ngwana mokasi ba reng batho ba mo hae mo ha ba tlilo consult ba better around. Batho ba mokasi.
Yeah, hona le
and
ba
would you also accept batho ba mo hae or would you think or ba tlilo spire?
You know what ne? Hona le ba mokasi ba ileng hore ke ba thusitse ne? But nna I don't do local pila. I don't do local. Mo profeta a profete ko naheng ya habo. Ko naheng ya habo wa nyatsega. I don't do local mara ha o setse o tlile ntene ke bona hore ai o nyaka thuso ke tlo thusa.
Mar mokasi mo ke a itse re o ka nna le flop o mo kry le moleko.
Ke tlhakane le yona meleko. Nna be no moleko ke nna le ona ka mo jarateng I know hore ka senkere selo. Nna la ka le close a keke le nchikela. You know why ke re bjao? Ha ka berekela matlozi ha ka holoka ba tlo irela ka holoka they will protect you.
Yeah.
Ba tlo bontsha hore okay moleko mara dila le ona so. Wantshwara. Yeah. And then ona ba nonge setse ke jumpetse go Botswana.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last year ke thositse o mong o tlha le go Botswana. Gogo o la lena o mpone mo ditorong ene ke nna ile hore ke molorile 6 months back. Hore na le motho o tlo tshantse mo thuse bjana le bjana fa Botswana. A phone. A re ke batla tla ke tlo thwasa ke mo Botswana ke nna mokete. Okay. Ya tlika hore oh maybe ke ena motho o sele mpontsha yena. Ka mmotsa hore ho nyaka ha eng ha tla ka tsholla pele ditaola. A ono lokela motho fela ka mo lefatlheng. O tsholla ditaola. Nna ke go tshollela taola sa mathomo ke checka hore ya indeed vele o tshwantse hore o thwase and then after ditaola ke a o femba.
Kuirang o femba.
Ho femba ke tlo tlhalosetsa ka boripana ne. Go bazalane ba re you cast madimon akere.
Yeah.
Ha ba rapella ho tswa madimon mo wena. Go se go bangakeng re ke ho femba. Go bangakeng is different. Madimone ale a ka setso mo wena go fembang a tswa ko nna. Ke tsosa mondao. Le tlosela ko metsing spiritual Yeah, water. Ke tsosa Mandao, ke a o femba. Batho ba ba ileng hore like ba busy ka life how wena o tlo ba bona through nna.
Okay.
Yes. You know hore mokete ha bolela o actor so o bona ka di action because of some of them ba hana ka mabitso mara ha o setse mo kreile hore mokete kete kwena wa vuma ba tswa through nna ke o femba at the end go tswa matlozi a hao wena you have to communicate le bona o ba botsise hore bo gogo okay gogo ke a utlwa gogo mokete o nyaka nna go irele eng o batla eng ke chance ya hore o communicate le bona batho bao ke chance ya hore o create closure especially motho o e leng hore ana closure ke mo recommendela hore tla re fembe wa bona ene le tlozi la hao helis if ile hore maybe le o nyaka somewhere else helitswile through nna o tlo botsa hore ai wiki ke khopela o ye so pleke ko marokolong ene nna nka so ganetse gore e ya go buile matlosi ha se nna ke buile go tlhalosiwa because of some of the things that le fembo nna o krele gore ke di bona after 3 days or o ira hala so ke atimela go tla tlosela go metseng go bereka lona on tshwara so ha le bjao nna ke tlo phatlhela ka mkhoko phatletseng o tsena go gating ke tlo phatlha ke ba botsora bo gogo le rile a ye marekolong o ya marekolong o ka kena go nna khante ba dimba ha ba o nyake go nna so that's why ke re mo commenta gore pele re ka thoma ke re go shapela moropa go fembe pele sa mathomo ke itse gore go wala fa kae le kae o ka se fetlhele motho ana le malwetsi ana le tsela motho o thoma ka mmalafa ha o mo fetlhela o itse gore ke dila ka eng le eng a bona motho ha ka mothasisa ana le dilwane that's why batho ba bang o bona mothateng ha tswa go thwasa ha fetsa a kopane tlho ke go thasisa motho ana le dilwane ka se thasisa motho mo dilwane o fetsa aba tshwantse wa lafe motho dilwane dilo mamang.
No, this is very interesting. This information is very, very, very interesting. So ase man le mang o tshwantse ra thwasisiwa
ase man le mang ene hona le ba bang ba ileng hore o na le a calling. You have to know calling ya motho o tlileng ko wena. And then you know what bogogo, be honest ko baneng ba bang le lematsa bana ba bang le tsenyetsa bana ba bang nako. You can see hore wiki ha tshwanno thwasa ona le calling mara badimo ba hae a se badimo ba le ba hore tshwantse a bine ya wiki kwa semoya kwa kereke wena o nyako ke ntsha wiki le fetlhong wiki a thwase a sa tshwanno thwasa where else tshwantse o mo phahamise semoya if our khone if like our fiwa mo semoyeng recommenda motho o thomotho ile ngore you know hore he can help or she can help. Okay, khopela bogogo I know hore some of bogogo le lebeletse a re berekeng dilo ka tsela e right because of dintho tse leng hore di ira ke bogogo ba bang di senya dingaka mabitso ai bona yeah hona le motho thwasa hona le ngaka tshupe ha thwase o ka se thwase se tshupe ngaka tshupe ai bini mantsomane man ene wena o sa tshwanna go thwasa so o kene go nna ke first ho binisa badimba khono betha maoto o bola ke maoto how fetso bina fela lo to le ruruhe le reng because a wa tshwanno bina so a re re le bana ba batho ka tsela e right.
Is it because of the money or about posti?
Yeah, it's the money. Na a ke te praise or a ke te pelele bo skono, ne? Na a ke khone ho kruka motho. Like yampalla ntho. Yampalla.
Marsale ya ba teng temptation. Ina lo ba teng ya hore o nkare ka bethanyana 2 clipanyana nka bethanyana 5 tawanyana engwe so
ya ena le hore e be teng mare ko pallwa ko dandereha ko pallwa ko bolela se ne tshwantse ke o botse sona ke nya ko sharp because lengelo ila ka la hana lo mpofa leme wa ntshwarane a ke lemohile re la ka lengelo ila hana nna henke le hore wiki ke ntho ka rata botsa batho ba bantsi hore nna nke ke na le mathosana mantsi go nna mathosana nke ala mantsi so ba tla batho go nna go ke tshwenya ke ntho so ke nna fatshe le wena ka checka ka tsholla ka lebella hore ai wena wa tshwanno thwasa se le batlisa this other lady at least ke mama hae go nna a boditse mama hae hore yena tshwantse a yo thwasa eng mama hae a re e re go ise kwa manskarala ha ke tsholla ditaola ya diahana ma re hape motho o nanya ko tsamaya a re o thwasa kae nna ka botsa mma hae ka re you know what it's up to you hore wa moise mara nna on my side wana ha tshonno thwasa yes wa bontshiwa hona le batho ba o bontshiwa ka dipono.
So is it possible that a person can come to you and you realize or you pick it up that this person has got so much power than you?
Yes.
And what do you do with that information as now, agree?
No, you know, like na I'm somebody else ne. Ke believe hore ka mokho o feelweng ka teng ke te o feelweng ka teng re ka se feel ka o lekana. Na bana ba ka ba bereka. Wa sanya ke ngo bereka ke yena mo. Mara ha o tswa go nna go tsa go isa hae. O tlo bereka ka mokho nna ke tlileng ke bereka. Ke fa bana ba ka bongaka the way ke tshwantse ke ba feka teng boloi ke bona bo ke sa bokhoneng le bona ba itse ka ba botsa nna ke tlo fa bongaka and then ha o ya go pele ba o botsa re gobela o irileng a mo kwena nna se lenka ke berekile dilo tsa nnete a ke na taba
and then possible hore gobela khona o jela setsa anya go ho tsia power ya hao na
yes
but then di gobela tse di sale di a tsia di power tsa bana ba bang
yeah.
And then how power, how does it mean I'm not gonna be able to work na? Like we hear negative how does it mean or when now satlo kono bereka because ke itsere
wait weekine what I can say le hona ho ya le ka hore matlozi a hao a byang o ka ditse di powers tsa motho yena a se bereke wena wa bereka mara it will backfire ina le ditlamara yeah some of the people like banka di lucky tsa batho ka tsela eo some of the people banka di lucky tsa batho ka tsela eo be careful o le motho
so when we don't have to accept monies from people
no ba bang ba o fa tšhelete ba nya go thusa mara ba bang a ba o fe tšhelete ka tsela e right o tla tsoma wena ro accept re ba nna nka se re le sa accept na hana o chailo ona le karanta ba o fe 2000 we hane
then how are we supposed to know hore taking money from this person is dangerous this one is not dangerous so there's no way we can know
yeah problem ke na wait problem ke hore motho o ka se dupelle hore ke tshwantse ke tseye or ke ska tseya mara ba bang ba ira di ritual ba bang ba o neela like ka boteng ba pelo wa bona hore no ke ba tlo thusa ba teng batho ba ileng hore like motho o filwe and then satla se se fang the most receive yeah hona lo believang hore he ke tsamaya ke ya ko Jubilee Mall nka fa batho ba ba 5 nyana tšhelete ke tlo receive o kra a ira like a sa ire hore maybe o nyaka ho nka di like tsa hore
bophelo bona ba tshosa and this post that I saw I think it's making rounds on social media like it's trending Yeah, hore most of the people that we party with go groove are saying baswile. Did you see that
Ke
post?
bone ke bone
Like but ba bantši ba re ba kry-ang ko groove saying ke batho ba e leng ba coffee. Is this possible?
ke bone it's possible mara ya hore bo botlhe like
Not
ba
bo
bantši,
botlhe, like
ba
most of
bantši.
them, yeah.
Yeah, yona is possible.
Some of them.
Yona is possible. You know what ne? Spoko se teng.
Nkile wa se bona wena Spoko?
Hanchi.
Ke itsitse.
Hanchi. Ke na le story sa Spoko. Hanchi.
And then nkile wa ya wa ilo
And mara you feel
Salo wa lo le Spoko wena.
yes.
Ka mmereko wa setso.
Somewhere na bathonya ke na ba rekile ntlo motho a tlhokofaletse a itepoletse ka moteng.
And then
And then had to go there and do
And then
rituals,
Aira and Diamond.
ayo robala.
a ira eng ha ba tshwenya.
Like ha ba robetse ho tla bulelwa dipompo ho tla peiwa dilonyana tse byago. So Spoko a setle se le aggressive se hama batho. Let me tell you about Spoko. And only a spiritual person, as long as you can communicate le batlosi, you can communicate le Spoko sele wa mmotsa mfo ke tlile ke tlo tseya ke tlo robatsa go go robalang batho o ska tshwenya ya iriwa ritual e byao on tshwarane you communicate lena nicely, you're not fighting.
O Spoko a se bete a se tshwenye batho.
Ya se seng se se bethang maybe ke motho leng gore o tsamaile a le aggressive. Ho ka ba le Spoko ka mo jarateng mara se sa le tshwenye ka o le beta. A wena ke believe re motho a sa bula kwena ka o beta.
And then how fitla go teng kwa wa fitla wa motseya wa re wetse keng abuti or sisters, this is not the right place where you should be sleeping. Let's go home. Then o itse bang hore ke kwa go kae cause I get ho avoid dipoko ke taba re tshwantse re batlele this other leave.
Yes,
So how do you
learn
know-
that leave
Yeah.
ya bereka ne. Like motho o kileng kwa le na ba rekile ntlo motho a tepoletse mo ke ba boditse hore ke neither family ya motho.
Yeah.
Yeah, ke ntse fatshe le family ya motho le motho lena wa tshwenya 1 2 3 1 2 3 nna ke tlokopo re le mpontsho re le mmoloketse mo kae.
Okay.
Then we take that leave ramotseya. This is where you belong. Ke ntlo hao ya mafello.
Kwa le go ntlung e mtha a sang ba motseya ka leave ela ne.
Na ba sa ira.
So motho mo lo mong ha tlhokofaletse ka mo ntlung tshwantse ra tseiwe byao.
Yeah, le motho a tlhokofaletse ko tseleng moya wa hae o tsa byao.
No, let's say you died in your house.
Yes, no. Yes, moya wa tseiwa. Ka mo spirit sa motho wa tseiwa wa boledisiwa ra o isa ko ntlong ya hao ya mafello. Motho o ipolaya le motho o tlhokofetseng like ne ke kula. It different. Motho o ipolaya remember hore moya wa hae a o tsamaye like immediately o sola o tshwenya o travel batho. Wa bona ene ba se that family like na ba sena kitso hona le family tse ngata tse leng hore they don't have knowledge.
Yeah.
Somebody we don't believe in that.
Yes.
Up until irahala ba bona hore like yeah ka nnete nthoso ya tlhokagala hore iriwe.
Talking about families not believing in certain things, is it important hore le sa believe mo selo after funeral ka mo jarteng ya lona tshwanetse re diriwe something na le bazalwane le o tlhapisiwa and all those things?
And let me tell you something ne tseding if o sa believe hore mama ha tlhokofetse tshwantse ke tlhape batho ba bang ke di ba affecta dilo tseo. Ke nahana ho ya le ka hore tumelo o dumela byang.
Yeah.
Tseding di ka so affect tseding di tlo affecta. So e ya ka believe la ho tla ko gogdi o believe hore ko gogdi ke tla kra mmereko o tla kra mmereko. Nthango lengwe e ya ka tumelo ha o ka tla ko gogdi or ke ya ko gogdi ku tla ba re o ya bo Eastern Cape gogdi wa thusa o irang mara as long as o sna tumelo ya hao ke yone tlo fodisang.
Yeah.
As long as you don't have faith ya hore gogdi o tlo nthusa o tlo leka le tsaka di tlo leka
e motho a jola le wena o le ngaka go na le dilo tse tshwanetse re le moruta tsona gore a dire gore tsatsi lo ka tshwarang ke badimo a dire na.
Yes.
Like for example, let's say for example nna le wena we are in a relationship, for example.
Yes.
To make that clear, let's say for example nna le wena we are in a relationship and then wena o na le badimo so o go, and sometimes o ka tshwara ke badimo ba hao. Are there certain things that I have to be taught so that when those things, those spirits come to you, I know how to communicate with them?
Yes.
Or learn over sharp.
Tshwantse ko rute ko botsore wiki ha ka bana ke ira so o itse gore ke tshwere ke badimo, and then wena tshwantse ba boledise so badimo ha ba tsoga, badimo ba tsogetsoge fela, especially ha setse o thwasitse motho a setse a thwasitse badimo a ba tsogetsoge fela ko yena. Badimo ba tsoga if they see something or if they have a message ba nyakang ho banyaka ho deliver.
Wa ga re ba tsoga no?
No, like ba vuma ntho ke bolelang
Alright.
ha ke botla go tsho gore la vuma close sho kuti ntho ke bolelang ke bua ntho
Yeah, because tshwanetse re nthipe gore le no ha ba
ai ba ka
tsoga ke bile bjang le
stoi sa
wena.
ware ba ka stoi.
Okay.
So nna ba dimba ka sense ke thositse nna ba ka ba tswetswe fela only if there is something ba tlo tsoga ene o kra ke ba busetsa mara o ke ka ba thiba o ka se ba thiba
Ba khona tsoa le lo ko beleng.
ko bialeng
O groover. O DJ.
ba khona no ke ba laela wiki ke ba laela o no re ba ka ntshwenya ba tsoga ke ba laela everything that I do nna every move o ko tseyang ke kena ka mola ke ba laela.
Did you tell them you are shooting podcast today?
Yes.
Okay.
Ke phatlhile ke chistem pepo tshela sniffy tshuma ka ndlela ka ba botsa ka tsamayang le nna ba sale yes ka moko he ke tsamaya ko shooter I do that.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
Sometimes o tsere motho ko bialeng khanta o tsere na le badimo o tlile le na go ntlung ya hao o tlilo mo skepa maybe like spend a night with that person khanta motho na le badimo you don't know how to handle that.
Yona e irahala especially house of twasa ba tla tsoga hantshi yo.
Yeah.
A ke re utlwile go boditse re nna na go ke bereka ne ke phapama ke le mo fatshe
Yeah.
ke botsiwa gore na o ile o bolela o le wane ene o tla ba embarrassed be o tla bilo ka re ke
Azamba
hafa mara
tsoga before twasa o sandano
na ba tsoga before ke twasa
ke ra gore ba tsoga o le ko mojolong
ko mjolong no
ko boyfriend thing maybe o bethile malunda a shiba bona
azange ba tsoga nna sedimisa ka se thomile go hakala by the time ke thoma go bereka pila ke bereka ya ene na balwela eng re file mmereko tšhelete ya kena mara o nyako re phethela.
Is it possible gore badimo ba khono etsa gore ka gore ha o nyako ba follower ebe ho etsa hale gore le o tshwara tšhelete o kro sa bone re irang ka yona?
Yes.
Ke na le utlwa batho ba re bana le problem
Yes.
ba nna ke tshwara tšhelete ke
Yes,
go
ba
irang ka
ira.
yona. Is it true that then?
It's true and especially le beside gore tshwantse o thwasa gore eng ne like you badimo ba hao ba ka o bulela something maybe business or maybe mmereko o moshapo and then tšhelete o kry-le gore a o itse gore o irileng ka yona ne up until o re a nna mo e re ke short left ha re short left ba o botse gore badimo ba hao ba lela ka mophaso especially ha ba nyaka mophaso badimo ba nyake o je o le one badimo ba nyaka gore le bona o ba gopole
Yeah.
hape phela re fa ke bona le modimo modimo ke CEO
Yeah.
badimo ba rena ke di manager ke di supervisor eng wa bona ha ke tsholla snaffy nna ke bolela le badimo ba ka ke bolela le di manager supervisor eng bona ba isang message ko CEO. Yes, CEO ngwana rena o lla ka 1 2 3 CEO o tlo deliver.
Okay. O deliver ko bona ba busa back ko wena.
Yeah.
Can you see if something bad is going to happen?
Yes, I can see. I can see.
Ka wena or ka motho mong?
Ka motho mong le ka nna. Ke kgona bona hore wiki tshwantse o ye so plekene please don't go because o tla tlhakana le accident le ka nna ke kgone bona.
Wow. Le por ka tsona ba ile re tshwara po kgone bona. Like all these bad things that might happen.
Yeah, and then but you can sense hore something, you can see or sense or something bad is going to happen, but o sa itse hore ke po.
Ne ona le matla dini. Ne ona le matla, ona le nkane dine.
Ow.
Even telephonically wa profeta.
Yes. Perfect.
If you are watching now, you know you are having problems and you need somebody who will just give you the accurate prophecies. Dineo ashuyena. Otherwise, you can just send an inbox. I'll hook you up with her. Wakara di phone number tsai wa bola lena. And then dineo wa wana no re bolela ka ke kopelo profeta batho dilo tsa nnete batho.
Wiki, nka tloga mo Pretoria kare. Ka yona 16 hours ka mara base ke tsamaela noto. Hape hesa le nna ke consultile motho le ko Eastern Cape ba re namela ka boshiu. O tshware ke mmoritse ntho nnete. Ha ka profeta motho ore wa motshollela taola a boa. Hore re mmoritse dilo tsa nnete, batho ba ka se bue sa ba botsa dilo tsa nnete. And one last thing. Ha ka re o thwasitse hape re tla e le hore re na le di problems tse di rileng ba botsa re ha o ka thwasa dilo tsa hao di tla loka or eng. Ha ka re o thwasitse ne kore dilo dia ba worse than before it's rena le bothata mo badimo ba hao ha ka ba khotsofatsa wa ba irela ntho ba batlang ba tlo bulela ida o tla kra mmereko mo shapo or ida tla nna lenyalo or ida tla nna something good mara ka re thwasitse wa sokola like worse than before bothata boteng. Bothata boteng. They need to stand up and then ask like themselves gore yes ho na le bothata o ka se thwase wa tlhakatlhakana nna after thwaso life ka e changes and le lena ba leng hore la nkitse le lebeletse podcast la itse re ke bolela kang life ka e changes like
so ka thwasa and then dilo di anna hona ka mkhonze di before twasa ibile di aba worse then ora it's a spirit
yeah hona le bothata stand up ema ka mauto o nya ko itse re bothata bo mokae and I so wish gore ha o ema ka mauto o batla re bothata bo kae o kre motho nnete
ona le di problems tse dingwe na lo feel now this one is too big for me
yeah hona le a certain problem eleng hore a ke khone nka se thathe ma chance because of ke tshwere ke tlala ke batla chelete ke tlo botsa hore tsama go to this person o tlo thusa ka ntho e so
Togoza. Dino, thank you so much. I really appreciate, man.
Sure.
I really appreciate.
Yeah,
we are hoping hore everything we etsang etla ba monate and we still want to see you on television.
Yeah, you're gonna see me.
And then, are you working on something television related?
Yes, that's why I'm saying something big is coming.
Yeah.
Elong hore itlo change bophelo ba ka like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I won't mention it, but lena nantsele le qabile gobdi bona and then my plan is to change Chairman Skrala.
Skrala ngwana.
Is to change Skrala. Na am ke mothomo na plaka ke hane ka yona.
Yeah.
Ba teng ba ileng hore ke ba plakile. Plaka ke hane ka yona if you need a plug. Gobdi ke need a plug ya so. If nka khona I will plug you. Mareksa khone ake khone.
Wicked them dizzy.
That's how we wrap up today's episode. Thank you so much.
There's so much to spit out for this one. Kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki. Kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip. Kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki. Kopelo Kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka cheap. Kale utlwa kale ke repa mara bare ke style sa kale sa repe kampe ka joina tsenyane tsa crash suruma soul ke gaya devil ka zama mathaisa khana ka 11 tabera satar so bone Durban mudimo mpethele popo 7 khulumenta bulele tender zaka social yo tsena December itlore November tabe ke jang tabe ka skima tsa spina ka gun mosadi wa stress umudi u ban umatla dilo ke sena le plan u crave yogurt ka matsa ka 1 henka pala ku tlhakantsha shabo ko kwatisa mabo it's over I'm done untshupetsa pan fisho le dololo nama there's none mafura voro sashaba otswan kapela tshokolo my day will come when money will follow me leading a man kholo di tsena di banka di ndwela le joke tsa vora ba khono di tseha re tshega re tsena ka banka sana kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip ratutsa ra zama re lwana le tlala khwapala ba ska be bathala di fitile di clever ba swile le spirit ba phumutse trace methala sa rona go zama le suba la doatla mzulo ba ti dikhala he palo tlhakana re betha ma China mo tabera thwasa mathata re tlatsana ga o re phaphara kudi ya sa to tlhapa ka sthar ba mixitse dono le mafura a thwar esbara sema ba re ba fagesa tshelwa ntsukiri senya tibeke te ya matlhar tlala kona mathala munne setsa batlo bulela mathatse di popo tlo bona tsena ga yo bone msadi a betha smile bana ba fure di chomi ba re papa ona mine e ba khame jela sebo makhelwane barkino ni sa ke crime ene ha ona ntho le vumili close jeso ntseletse wine kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip